Worst slash best solution, they go with Schmuckatelli. And because it's price. My question to you is that, by the way, 99% of the time the person is not like that. You're labeling them as like that. It's just you're not skillful in talking about the right stuff. But when they are like that, I'm going to go out on a limb here and tell you, you don't even want that client. Because that client is never going to be happy, they're always going to ask for something off, and they're never going to refer business your way. Why would somebody that is price focused never refer business your way? I think about this stuff so you guys don't have to. They don't because they're ego. They have a psychological weakness of they want to win, they want the best deal. And if I want the best deal, I'm never going to tell Bob about the deal that I got or refer business to Bob, because why? I may find out a week later that although I got 15% off, B-Money Bob got 17%. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you could look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.